हम अपने आप को कैसे समझें? Is that
Correct.
what is spirituality?
Spirituality is a very Western word. If we actually try to understand it in detail, it is Adhyatma.
Meditation apps. You think that helps in meditation, or it's, I don't know, it's weird.
They cannot be completely taken as your guide of meditation.
Is spirituality flexible? Anshul, what is spirituality?
So I think the word spirituality itself, people have kind of misunderstood the whole concept. We westernize everything.
Hanji.
Okay, so spirituality is a very Western word. If we actually try to understand it in detail, it is Adhyatma.
Adhyatma.
Adhyatma. So that means Atma's Adhyayan, the study of yourself, the path of studying of yourself is spirituality. And there are different ways that you reach it. Some people reach it through Advait, which is duality. Some people reach it through Ved Sadhana, which is your internalizing of everything that you have. Some people use religion, some people use Shakt, some people use Vaishnavism. Different ways of reaching
spirituality.
Different ways of reaching yourself.
हाँ. मतलब हम अपने आप को कैसे समझें? Is that
Correct.
what is spirituality?
हम अपने आप को कैसे समझे, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट हम जो चीज से बन चुके हैं उस चीज को किस तरीके से निकाले. सो इट्स नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, बट एलिमिनेटिंग वॉट एवर इज नॉट देयर. That is spirit. That journey is spirituality.
What do you mean by whatever is not there?
Let's say, for example, we say that I'm a professor. I'm a spiritual coach. I'm this, I'm that. I'm tall, I'm short, I'm educated. When you start removing the journey of removing all of this,
then what are you?
So जो बच गया वो आप.
तो आप क्या हैं, अंशुल?
Just an ansh of Anshul is the ansh of the divine. So still on the journey of understanding. The beauty here is, no, we say, because a lot of our books talk about what should be, like Upanishads talk about aham brahmasmi.
कि मैं ब्रह्मा हूँ.
मैं ब्रह्मा हूँ. या तत्वमसि.
कि मैं कुछ
I am that.
अच्छा, I am that.
I am that. ये सारी बातें जितनी सही है उतनी बोलने से नहीं हो जाएगी. वो आपको एक्सपीरियंस करनी होगी. So just by repeating and saying it does not, you don't become that. You're already that actually. You just need to understand that. So by eating, anybody over here can probably answer how the apple tastes. If I tell you a Sharon fruit, and if somebody hasn't tasted over here, they'll say, okay, this is how it tastes. So you can Google it.
But पता नहीं चलेगा.
But you don't know the taste of it, no?
Is spirituality flexible?
वो डिपेंड करता है. आई थिंक हमने हर चीज को फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, कन्वीनियंस ले चुके हैं हम दुनिया को. एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू इज वेरी कन्वीनियंट. सो इफ आई कैन नॉट मेडिटेट इन द मॉर्निंग, आई डू इट इन द इवनिंग. थोड़ा बहुत फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज गुड. व्हेन यू रियली कैन नॉट डू, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, यू नो, you cannot meditate in the morning, you did it in the evening. But that consistency needs to be there.
You think even the time you should maintain as much as possible of meditating every day, let's say?
Yes.
मतलब वो पूरा एक rhythm maintain करना.
100%. So flexibility is allowed to a level. But what is happening with today's generation is that we are very convenient people. एक्सट्रीम फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी हो चुकी है. नहीं हो रहा है तो 10 दिन तक नहीं हो रहा है, कंसिस्टेंसी ही नहीं है. उतना फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आप दोगे तो वो चीज बढ़ेगी नहीं. यू कैन लाइट अ कैंडल और अ फायर, बट इफ यू डू नॉट कीप इट कंसिस्टेंटली, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू ब्राइटन द रूम.
सो यू मीन टू से कि रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस एट रेगुलर टाइम वो जरूरी है. Actually, I really did not know this.
Yes, regular practice at regular time is important. because it gives your body, mind, rhythm, the energy, the space, the energy that you're calling the 5 elements, everything then works on a time. It gives you maximum results.
एक्चुअली वही सिकार्डियन रिदम भी तो है ही ना, कि हमें डाइट में भी कहते ही हैं कि रोज एक ही टाइम पे सो, एक टाइम पे खाना खाओ.
Correct. So that gives your mind, body, and everything together a rhythm of that it makes the whole process as an abhyas. Abhyas means like a continuous process of doing something. इसका मतलब ये नहीं अगर मैं नहीं कर पा रही तो मैं करूंगी ही नहीं, ऐसा भी नहीं. Flexibility in knowing yourself is there, but complete inconsistency should not be.
तो अंशुल, हम मतलब एक्चुअली आई माई सेल्फ आई प्रैक्टिस मेडिटेशन, पर मैं तो मतलब 4 दिन करूंगी, 2 दिन नहीं करूंगी, कभी पूरे हफ्ते करूंगी. ये इनकंसिस्टेंसी आता क्यों है? लाइक एन अ प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
Because in the world that we live in, we are completely filled with distractions.
So वो डिस्ट्रैक्शन से हाउ डू वी ब्रिंग आवर फोकस बैक?
एक सूत्र है, योग सूत्र, पतंजलि योग सूत्र में, चित्त वृत्ति निरोध, मतलब जो हमारे मन, और मन is called as chanchala, like a monkey. Okay, the Upanishads speak about it, the Gita speaks about it, and it's going to continuously keep on trying to divert you. And जो भी मन के all those little distractions, we need to, उसका निरोध होना चाहिए, मतलब उसका खंडन होना चाहिए, उसका
कैसे करें?
Stop. कैसे करे? तो there are many ways to do it, but again it needs consistency, and your mind will start trying to stop you from doing it. Couple of ways of doing it, practical ways of actually doing something like that is, whenever your mind is getting distracted, come back. Hold yourself to your breath. प्राण जो हम सांस लेते हैं, hold yourself back to your breath.
मतलब just observe it.
Observe it, or just breathe in and breathe out with it. Some people, when they try to observe their breath, what happens is, after some time, it's not observing the breath, they start manipulating the breath.
Okay.
And I'm sure a lot of people have experienced it. I have experienced it. I'm sure you have also experienced it.
I have, yeah.
So one way is observing the breath. One way is just focusing on the breathing and breathing out. When you start getting distracted, like for example, when you said when you're meditating and you cannot do it for a continuous amount of time, even then go back to it. Put yourself in a situation where you say, मुझे at least 3 minutes करना है. 3 minutes is not too much.
Correct. And try and do it.
And try, and you can decide to switch the ways you do it. So for example, again, meditation is also a very Western word. So when we speak about, we say dhyan, dharana and sadhana. There are different layers of it, right?
ध्यान, धारणा and sadhana, बताइए.
So dhyan is when you're focusing. And dharana, आप किसी चीज पे आप concentrate करें, like let's say it's a deity or it's a flame or whatever. साधना तो जब आपकी लगेगी, समाधि, सॉरी, ध्यान, धारणा एंड समाधि जब आपकी लगेगी, तब एनी विच वेज यू आर कनेक्टेड टू द डिवाइन. सो एक में मैं हूं, आप हो, प्रोसेस है. एक में मैं नहीं हूं, प्रोसेस है, मगर आप हो, मैं उसमें से निकल जाती हूँ. और जब समाधि लगती है, तब मैं भी नहीं, प्रोसेस भी नहीं, इट्स ओनली द एंड गोल. दिस इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ the so-called westernized word that we use, which we have to use meditation.
Actually, मुझे समाधि ये जरूर है कि कई बार मेडिटेशन में वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए आई थिंक समाधि में पहुंच जाते हैं. कभी होता है, कभी नहीं होता है, ज्यादातर तो नहीं.
That is, I feel that is completely the divine's grace.
अच्छा, if they decide,
if you are also that capable, no?
Tell me one anecdote where you felt you were in samadhi.
There are many examples that I have experienced, because my journey began when I was 10 years.
Talk about one.
So, lately I was, a few months back, I was in a temple, and it was a Devi temple. And I sat there, I think I sat there for about 19 hours for meditation.
19 hours?
Yeah, with one break, yes.
Okay.
With one break. And in that time, I mean, I will not give details for my own reasons, but there was a time in between where everything had um, cleared out from my from the presence that I was in. It was just me, the energy, and it felt like your body is not there anymore.
Oh, wow.
So it's a wonderful experience.
I don't know if this is Samadhi, but my daughter got married in December, and I don't have my mother-in-law or my mother. About 8 days after the wedding, I was just sitting in meditation, and so we have a bungalow, and I was on the first floor, and I just saw my mother who passed away 9 years back, my father who passed away last year, and my mother-in-law who passed away 4 years back. Sorry, I need to read. My mother who passed away 4 years back, my
Correct.
mother-in-law who passed away 9 years back, and my father who passed away last year. I saw all three of them, and I swear to God I saw them, and they said कि अच्छा अब हम चले, हो गया सब. 8 days after the wedding, because we were just me and my husband managing everything, and I felt और इतनी चीजें गलत हो सकती थी
जो हुई नहीं.
जो नहीं हुई. Is that sadhana?
That's not samadhi, and even what I was
Sorry,
telling
samadhi.
you was not actually like hardcore samadhi the way it's supposed to be. It is an experience.
So what is this?
This is also when you were probably meditating or in a zone where you connect with the other astral plane, and the beings that have left, the entities, our ancestors who have left, they are in that periphery.
You think they are there?
Yeah, of course. But there's a whole another world that you and I cannot probably see with our physical. There's a lot of things that happen. And so you probably connected with them on that level where they could see you, of course, and you could actually open that door for that moment of time where they could have a conversation.
Wow.
Happens.
Can we go into this realm thoda?
Sure, of course.
I actually love it.
Whatever suits you. Like I said, when we spoke earlier, whatever the divine wants to be spoken about, it will speak.
तो अंशुल, हमारे में जो हम पित्र की बात करते हैं, या जो चले जाते हैं कि they are looking after us. What are your thoughts in that? Because Western science तो बिल्कुल believe नहीं करता.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कि Western world believe नहीं करता है, ऐसा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
Because Western world has Latin America, it has a lot of indigenous
tribes.
Yes.
Yes.
And they are very connected to the nature. And we dissolve in the nature, we come back from nature. So they do believe. Science, where science and spirituality are really the whole thing starts off. But Pitra hote hai, they are there, the ancestors are there. Some are stuck in the other realms. They need to move. That's why I think वो आपने कभी वो सुना है भागीरथी, जो अलकनंदा and भागीरथी come together. So Dev Prayag, जहाँ ऋषिकेश के वहाँ पे, there are two rivers that flow, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. Very distinctively different rivers in color. They come together and they say वहाँ पे गंगा बनती है. So Bhagirathi per se is the king Bhagirathi, who called Ganga on earth. Because बहुत सारे उनके ancestors, पितरों, बहुत उनका नुकसान हो रहा था. And a lot of things were happening. It's the whole story behind it. And वहाँ पे जब उन्होंने तप किया for years and years together, that's when Ganga actually अवतरण हुई उनका गंगा जी आए. And that is when they got the moksha. So the Pitra has been, the ancestors have always been in our in and around. Yes. And some have some blessed, some are troubled, and that's why
Pitra also troubled.
Pitra are people who have ancestors who have gone, no? अच्छा, तो इसलिए पितृ दोष भी तो बोला जाता है.
हाँ, पितृ दोष, right.
So there are some troubled ones who have to then शांत उनको किया जाता है. ये पितृ पक्ष ही चल रहा है वैसे.
अच्छा.
This is पितृ पक्ष going on until 22nd of September till the Navratri begins.
अच्छा, तो जो पितृ हैं और वो थोड़े कष्ट में भी होते हैं और थोड़े हमें ब्लेस भी करते हैं.
हाँ, पितृ तो they can bless. Some people, some souls stay around. I'm using the Western words.
नहीं, whatever.
Simply because of probably the audience that is there and Atma जिनको हम कहते हैं souls. some are there to bless you, to make sure like you experienced your mother and
Hmm.
everybody else. They wanted to make sure that things work out well, and then they are ready to leave.
So tell me, Anshul, जब हम जिनकी passed on, people who pass on,
Yeah.
जब वो हमारे सपने में आते हैं, does it mean anything or is it just our weird subconscious?
Both. I love the conversation is really taking a turn, but both. See, our minds, you cannot completely discount the fact that we humans have a psychological aspect to our beings.
Hmm.
Okay, there is a spiritual paranormal aspect, but we are human beings and we think in a particular manner.
Hmm.
We have been conditioned in a particular manner.
Hmm.
Not everybody experiencing in a dream को हर उठ के इंसान ये बोले कि मुझे कोई दिख गया तो मुझे ऐसा ही होगा. It's not like that.
Hmm.
Sometimes our minds play games.
हाँ, पर जब dreams में है तो मतलब what does it mean?
Again, they can mean two things. One, it is actually trying to connect with you.
Oh.
Second is just that you're thinking about the person, or it's something is surfacing up, or that emotion is surfacing up, and हो सकता है कि वो हो भी ना, but आपको लगे वो हो.
पर कैसे पता चलेगा they are trying to connect with us?
फिर वो अगर they're really trying to connect with you, they will give you multiple
signals.
But you also have to be, so आपका सिग्नल मिलेगा, आपका वाईफाई का राउटर बंद है तो क्या फायदा?
तो एक्सेप्ट करो.
तो your also signals have to be open to receiving it, no?
Wow.
You have to be, and you have to be careful also. In today's world where all of this is becoming very popular, people don't realize that it's not just okay to switch on a router. You also should know, you should have a virus protection. You need to know how to protect yourself. You need to know all of those other things also.
So, I'm sorry, but I need to speak about this. So this, what I told you, was my second daughter's marriage.
Correct.
My first daughter got married in 2020 during COVID.
Okay.
In December.
Okay.
We actually had a 300 people wedding, जो allowed नहीं था. But anyway. And 700 लोग जो organizers थे. मतलब hotel के, then the event company. Yeah. So it was 1,000 people were there. Okay. 2020 December. And not a single person got COVID till 11 days of the wedding. So I remember in that wedding, that is when my mother-in-law had passed. My mom was still there. So 6 important things मैंने खो दिया था. Alone managing everything. All 6 things I got. मतलब wedding के chaos में expensive चीजें खोई और मिल भी गई. और एक जन को भी COVID नहीं हुआ, जिसमें मतलब उसकी शादी के आगे और पीछे, लाइक मेरी जो बेटी है ऐश्वर्या, उसके शादी के 2 दिन बाद उनके ही सिटी से एक दूसरी जिनकी शादी थी, द ब्राइड एंड द ग्रूम बोथ हैड कोविड. पर तो भी उन्हें तो शादी करनी ही पड़ी. फिर पंडित जी को भी हो गया. आई थिंक कुछ 700-800 लोगों में 500 लोगों को कोविड हुआ. And I don't know what it was, but I felt that somebody was again protecting us.
I'm sure.
So I was signaling to her that help me.
There can be many things. It can be your ancestors. It can be your कुल देवता.
ओह.
क्षेत्रपाल घर के कुल देवता होते ही है ना.
एक्चुअली मैंने कभी प्रे नहीं किया कुल देवता को.
आप करो ना करो.
अच्छा.
आप माँ को बुलाओ ना बुलाओ, माँ तो खाना बनाएगी. But it's always better to do it. हम पूरे, because this conversation is going there.
Because कई चीजें जो हम नहीं समझते.
हाँ, because this conversation has taken that turn, I will tell you. Lot of people say that हम हर भगवान को प्रे करते. करो, करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. No, all at the end of the day, everything is one. But आपके घर में जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. जब आपको लगेगा तब आप, let's say for example आपको चोट लगती है, will you go screaming and going towards somebody, your friend's mother's house, ताकि मुझे लगा?
You call your own mom. मुझे एक बात बताइए अंशुल, कि हमारे में कई बार कहते हैं कि अगर पेरेंट्स या दादा दादी जो भी चले गए, हम उन्हें बार बार याद करते हैं तो उन्हें दुख होता है. मतलब they get pain. हम उनको बताते हैं कि please come solve my problem. Is there anything about that?
Yeah, I mean दुख तो नहीं,
मतलब उन्हें तकलीफ होती है. Sorry, उन्हें तकलीफ होती है आत्मा को.
After a person dies, again, can I divert to a little to the Western world?
Yes,
okay?
yes.
So when people say RIP,
रेस्ट इन पीस.
रेस्ट इन पीस. हमारे में रेस्ट इन पीस नहीं, हमारे में आपको सदगति मिले हैं. हम
मतलब-
बोलते हैं कि आपको सदगति मिले, आपको गति मिले मरने के बाद. वंस यू डाई योर सोल, यू लीव दिस बॉडी, यू मूव फॉरवर्ड इन योर जर्नी. आपको गति या गॉड स्पीड,
ये हम बोलते हैं सदगति मिले.
सतगति मिले. ओम शांति. तो वी नेवर से व्हाई डू यू से रिप or rest in peace. We're not resting. We'll rest for a while,
Yeah, we are moving on to
but we're moving.
अच्छा.
And so coming back to your point, when you're saying that कि जब कोई चला जाता है, like I have lost family members, my father, my brother. When they leave, you remember them with love, with cherish, with all of that. But when there is no need for them to come back to their job ना. उनका शरीर खत्म, उनका मोह खत्म, उनका बंधन खत्म. वो अपने रास्ते, आप अपने रास्ते चली रहे हो.
Correct.
So it's not fair to keep calling them back.
Yeah,
They
right.
will, if they're attached, and if they're lost in some space in between, they will keep pulling back. But then what are you doing?
Yeah.
So
Wow.
इसीलिए पुराने जमाने में ऐसे बोलते कि उनको दुख हो जाएगा.
हाँ, कहते थे
Because-
कि उनकी तकलीफ होगी उन्हें.
तो फिर जो इमोशनली वीक है उसको ऐसा लगे कि दुख ना करूं, चलो मैं उनको जाने दूं. But actually you need to let the person go. The person needs to move on. उनका भी हिसाब किताब होना है, उनको आगे जाना है.
Correct.
उनका जन्म है, नहीं है, दूसरा कब है वो देखेंगे.
तो अंशुल अब मुझे बताइए ग्रीफ
या
कि क्या ग्रीफ का क्या प्रोसेस है जब हम किसी को खो देते हैं, किसी क्लोज पर्सन को. स्पिरिचुअली ग्रीफ का क्या प्रोसेस है?
अगर आप सच में देखेंगे ग्रीफ को, देन आई थिंक यू कैन नॉट ग्रीव और बी इन पेन फॉर मोर देन couple of hours. Yeah. The reason is आप 24 घंटा, 28 घंटा, 30 घंटा रो सकते हो with the same intensity.
No. वो तो थोड़ी देर के लिए होता है.
थोड़ी देर.
करेक्ट.
उसके बाद जो होता है, एंड दैट्स विद एवरीबडी, वो बाउट्स में आ सकता है, इट कैन कीप कमिंग बैक. बट व्हाट रियली हैपेंस इज आवर माइंड is attached to the feeling of comfort when we feel the feeling of loss. जब मुझे किसी चीज को खोने का दुख होता है, वो दुख जब होता है तो मुझे then I feel victimized, I feel lonely, I feel sad. It gives me some kind of weird comfort.
So people want that comfort.
Everybody wants that comfort. When I'm feeling sad, you'll come and ask me, "No, are you okay?"
But isn't grief much longer than that?
Oh yes, grief is a very, very detailed thing. So grief can happen. It can stay with you for lifelongs, or it can stay with you for multiple lives.
Are we talking about multiple lives now?
well, it can stay for multiple life. If you have not learned to release it, if you've not learned to differentiate or separate your being and the physical being and your spiritual being, इसको हम segregate नहीं कर पाए, तो it will stay with you for lifelongs. Because जब भी, now that we were talking about different lives, when the minute you move to another lifetime, you are going to take attributes, feelings, grief to another one.
अच्छा, from जैसे वो कहते हैं कि अगर सिगरेट छोड़नी है तो आपको एक लाइफ टाइम में सफर करके ही छोड़नी पड़ेगी. बिटवीन टू लाइव्स यू कांट लीव इट. ऐसा
I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know about that. But
you carry your...
See, it's simple thing. I always use this example and I'm going to use it again. We have moved houses in our lifetimes. I'm sure everybody has shifted houses, right? जब भी आप घर बदलते हो तब क्या आप पूरा घर का सामान वैसा छोड़ देते हो?
नहीं, सब लेके जाते हैं.
क्यों ले जाते हो? बिकॉज वो आपका सामान है ना. तो आपने जब एक शरीर छोड़ा है ना, आत्मा के संस्कार जो हुए वो नहीं छोड़ा, जो लेसन है वो नहीं छोड़ा, वो तो आप लेके जाओगे कि नहीं? तो जब भी आप वो ले जाओगे तो बाकी की चीजें भी उसके साथ ऐड ऑन तो हो ही जाएगी.
Okay. Now let's move to meditation apps.
Sure.
I think we should come back to this life. So meditation apps.
हाँ.
You think that helps in meditation or it's, I don't know, it's weird?
I think we are in the area of technology and I've been speaking about artificial intelligence, technology, and spirituality and consciousness for a very long time in the last couple of years. We cannot discount technology
Okay.
in the world that we're living in
Hmm.
today, right?
Hmm.
We are not able to discount that. Meditation apps सही है या नहीं, अगर इस चीज का आप सवाल करें तो इफ यू लुक एट द ओल्डन टाइम्स, ऐप क्या है? एक यंत्र है ना,
एक टूल है,
टूल है, यंत्र है,
हम्म,
किसी भी चीज का इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो
हम्म।
चीज करने का. पहले के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स क्या हुआ करते थे? लेट्स से वीणा हो गई, फ्लूट हो गया, आपका ब्रेथ एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट पकड़ के ले लिया, तो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते थे वो चीज. दोज यूज्ड टू एड यू, टू हेल्प यू, टू for you to get to a rhythm, to get to a discipline, to get through a consistency of what you were doing. Meditation apps are the same thing. They can help you to reach a consistent or a rhythm in your mind and your body where you continuously do it. Having said that, they cannot be completely taken as your guide of meditation. वो एक जगह, वो एक सीमित है. They are only to a level where they can help. After that, they become more distractions than actually help. I had somebody with me. It was a CXO of an MNC. I think it was last year, and she was based in Canada. We were talking, and she said, I do a lot of these meditations, and I use an app. And she told me what app she uses, of course. And I heard her out, and I said, every time I do not have the app, it's like a Wi-Fi signal chala gaya, I lose the control.
Oh, okay. So
it's always, you need to be constantly, you need something needs to be there for you to actually focus. And then we had a very long conversation where I told, let us take off the meditation app. It was very difficult. I said, let's focus on your breath. Let's focus everything that you need. We are ancient culture. We are not like yesterday's culture, no? Everything that you need to grow spiritually, to meditate, to reach the divine, to reach yourself is present in your physical yantra. आपके शरीर में सारी चीजें हैं. Everything is you're well equipped. So we told her to use that. After 15, 20 days, 30 days, 6 months she took.
And she got off
the app. And anybody who is using an app or YouTube, because I have YouTube where I'm actually doing these guided meditations, which I always tell my people when I'm teaching, use those. But use those to a level only, to a limit.
Okay.
After that, usko chhod do. Then otherwise you'll become a parasite.
Correct.
Your journey is yourself. किसी को सुन के आप वो नहीं आगे बढ़ सकते. अगर आप ऐप पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे, जो बाकी का आपके आसपास में जो एनर्जी है, which is trying to reach to you, you are not being able to catch a signal.
Yeah.
And again, when we're talking about meditation, a lot of people, when they do their app meditations or guided meditations, they will listen to it and then they will switch it off, get up and do their thing.
Yeah.
That's not the way it is. When I pray, I'm talking to God. When I'm meditating, and after that, when that silence is there, when I'm getting the receiving signals, तो लोग ध्यान करके उठ जाते हैं.
Be open to receiving.
आपने चालू कर दिया बटन और फिर आप उठ के चले गए.
अंशुल, ग्रुप चैंटिंग और इंडिविजुअल चैंटिंग,
बोथ.
क्या एनर्जी होती है ग्रुप चैंटिंग में?
इसलिए हम सत्संग कहते हैं ना. When in our culture we talk about satsang, is where people come together and there's a lot of energy that everybody brings in. The vibrations are higher. It helps each other. The reason the group chantings and satsang were there before is to get people together so that I can motivate you, you can motivate somebody else, and it's all coming together. When we do a mantra sadhana or a chanting, and we do it all together to raise the vibration of an energy of the room or the space or the geographical location we are in, whatever the reason be. Personal, your spiritual journey is always personal.
Got it. It's yours.
So it's always yours. So after that group chanting, maybe once a week, it's good.
So Anshul, I had gone to abhi Dharamshala and I had gone to monastery Norvulinga. पता नहीं वो जो उनका मेडिटेशन रूम था जिसमें इतना बड़ा बुद्धा था, मतलब वो रूम में घुसते ही it was not possible for me to think anything negative. मतलब the mind तुरंत ही अल्फा लेवल पे आ
Correct.
गया. So it is the energy of that
Yes, of
space.
course, it is the energy.
मतलब वो chanting वगैरह
It
की.
purifies the space. You try to keep you can experiment. You can have your own room where you continuously have a chant going
Yeah.
on, and you come back to that room when you're feeling upset. You will naturally feel okay.
Wow. I felt this in Tirupati ji ka mandir also in the morning when they were doing that सुप्रभातम.
Suprabhat.
7 या 11 पंडित मतलब
हाँ.
you cannot have negative thoughts. वो आते ही नहीं है.
Because your body gets your body gets attuned to that frequency. It's about frequency, no?
Sound healing.
That's another chapter.
So this is frequency.
No, but it's all connected. There is nothing in this whole area which is by
Correct.
itself.
Correct. नहीं, पर अगर हम एक रूम में जाए जहां बहुत मेडिटेशन हुआ है,
आप you will feel happy, you will feel calm. आपको नींद भी आ सकती है.
so what is it's that energy in the
It's
room.
the energy in the room. Is the vibration of that room. It is that frequency of that room, whatever you call it. You will feel happy. If not happy, you will feel calm. If somebody is exhausted, बोलेगा 10 मिनट. मंदिरों में बहुत नींद आती है. कभी आप मंदिर के पीछे साइड बैठो ना, तो if it's a really जहाँ पे बहुत मंत्र जाप हुआ, you'll want to just sleep.
Thank you. अंशुल, आजकल कपल रिलेशनशिप्स बहुत ही फ्रैजाइल हो गए हैं 20-25 साल के बाद भी शादी के. हाउ कैन स्पिरिचुअलिटी हेल्प अस?
Relationships have always been delicate. आज की बात नहीं है. Okay. They have always been in a space where they have to be taken care, they have to be nurtured, etc. But today's world is such, everything is use and throw. It's very tissue paper like. नहीं होता है तो then we move on to the next one, which is probably good for some people. I cannot judge or comment on somebody else's choices of lives. But in terms of asking how spirituality can actually or that journey can actually help, I think it's a wonderful tool. I'm using the word tool for a specific reason. It's a wonderful tool for you to grow together in a relationship. जब भी आपको spirituality आप देखोगे तो हमेशा खुद से शुरू होती है. Correct. So I have to understand myself. I have to understand my trigger points. I have to understand my pain, my anger, my root cause, my healing process, all of those things. I need to be sure of that. When you as a partner in the relationship, let's say, you are with somebody or, the other person is there, the other person will also have to learn their own life. And जब दोनों partners अपनी अपनी life को देखेंगे,
yeah, correct.
And then what will happen is they will know that they're functioning together for a better, bigger cause, for the spiritual growth of an individual. When they understand what is wrong with me, आज क्या है ना कि आपने ये किया, कभी मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि मैंने किया. Nobody is owning up to their things, and even if they're owning up, I think there's a lot of diluted stuff in it. So when we speak about spirituality, there is simple stuff that people can use. Let's say, for example, chant together, even if they don't like it.
Chant together.
If you don't like to chant, just sit together, samne samne dono haath. You see, when you touch somebody, and physical relationships are there in relationships, right? Intimacy is there. Otherwise, also, when you touch, your energy is going to pass from one palm to another.
So sit
with hands with each other like that, and just let the breath flow. Connect with each other. That will bring a connect, not just in the body but in the soul, in your space. If you don't want to chant, do that. Another thing that people can actually do in couples is just have gratitude towards whatever is happening.
So make your own, both of them write their own gratitude.
Together लिखो, साथ में लिखो, fridge पे लिखो, जहाँ लिखना है वहाँ लिखो. It doesn't really matter, but it has to but you got to work towards it.
And do it together.
Of course, you've got to do it together. And there are many other ways that people, because a lot of couples do come in terms of, broken relationships. And then when you connect them with spirituality, connect them with themselves, they start to heal.
Wow.
And it's important because we say that marriages or relationships are one of the biggest karmic lessons of the world because they're there to learn.
Yeah.
You signed up for this contract, not just a physical legal contract. You've signed up for a contract for multiple lifetimes so that you can come and teach me this.
Yeah. So जो भी आपका partner है, he or she is there to teach you something. That's what you're saying.
Yeah. Has to be, no?
That's a nice
Has
way
to
of
be.
looking at it.
Otherwise, why will the person be in your life?
तो जब वो परेशान कर रहे हैं तो भाई हमें हमारे बारे में कुछ पता चल रहा है.
हाँ, 100%. You're learning. You can learn how to keep quiet. You can also learn how to stand up for yourself.
Yeah.
That is each one to its own.
Wow.
Sometimes when you get too pushed to the wall, it's not कि हाँ मुझे सीखना है how to learn to be quiet and calm and listen to all of that. That may not be the lesson at all. The lesson might be give it back.
Correct.
You do not know what the lesson is. So that's for you to find out what the lesson is.
Wow.
And spirituality will help individuals grow. आप ये देखो ना, शक्ति पूरी शक्ति में पूर्ण है. Like if we say like goddess, okay, माँ, शक्ति पूरी शक्ति में पूर्ण है, शिव पूरे शिव में पूर्ण है.
अच्छा, दोनों अपने आप में पूर्ण
होने चाहिए. In a relationship also, दोनों अपने आप में, तुम रहो, मैं रहूं, हम रहे.
Wow.
ये समझना चाहिए. एंड जब लोग ये कहते हैं रिलेशनशिप में 50-50 रखो, 50-50 कभी भी रिलेशनशिप में नहीं होता. Not that I know of, and I remember multiple lifetimes, and not that I remember in any of them where it's 50-50. Two people are together, it can be, sometimes I give 70, you give 30, sometimes you give 80, I give 20. Total 100 होना चाहिए.
पर हर वक्त 50-50 हो ये तो नहीं.
It's impossible, no, because it's human. But the other person needs to understand. If I'm giving less, you give more. If you're giving less, I give more. But the total needs to come to 100.
You remember multiple lifetimes?
Yeah.
अपना आपका?
जी.
I'm
a regression therapist also, so I've been seeing my lifetimes from multiple life. From the first time I saw, I was 10.
Oh, what were you in your past life?
There are many things I was. I remember about 8 to 9 of them.
What?
Yeah, a lot of people do remember. ऐसा नहीं है.
Wow, actually that's a conversation for another day.
Sure.
Past life we will do. I have done it with one person.
Sure.
Matlab, you know how you heal going back in the past, but we'll do it another time. I will come for this separately.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you.
You are.
Thank you, Anshu.
Thank you.
Thank you.